Alright, run an update once again. Got all the amps out. Got the little lithium bank out. Cause got this mamma jammer right here. Something amp hour, lithium bank. It worked. But anywho. And just like that, she's out. And about to be sound deadened, along with the wheel wells and these back panels, and that'll be the whole car. Alright, well, just the update. Took this off of here because now we need to take this panel off, finish all this, and in the middle up there, finish this T, finish doom. And after that, gonna put my new bank in, run some new grounds, run another power wire, put my 4-channel back in, 4-channel sub amp. And then we're gonna see what she's talking about, see what the voltage at. Hope my alternator don't die again. What you gotta do to take the side off is start with this, take this, and then pop all the pieces on the outside. I'm too lazy to take the belt off, so this is gonna be right here while I sound it. And then all you gotta do to take this little carpet piece is this little clip. You just pull it. Simple, easy. Over here, it goes under this carpet, so. Got a little, and it came out. There's nothing at the bottom, the clips are at the top, so. Under this, and then take this side off. It was even more of a pain in the ass, but. Alright, so this is what we got. I prioritized wheel wells, so I finished those up. But it's a little bit missing the sides and the back floor. But it should be a lot quieter. It felt like it was leaking, or it sounded like it was leaking from the back, like leaking air. But it's just because the front was quiet and the back was sound like a fucking leaky ass tire. Alright, so that's what we're looking like. I mean, the setup, the battery moves all fuck around, you know, but I'm liking this setup. What happened with that green ass lithium was Bread was just talking. That bitch got gone. And about 18. About to put 2 15s in here. Box is on the way. It's got like a port. I don't know. I saw one on Facebook. And that junk is looking nice. So gonna make me one. 2 Mezzo 15s on the JP33. Need to get me another 6 amp hour, but she's holding up strong. She holds up to like 13.8. Don't go below 130 alt. Damn sound better. JP33. JP234. Big ass 18.